Here's exactly how to create a YouTube channel step by step. So if you're a beginner and you're wondering how to start a YouTube channel the right way, I'm going to share the steps and the key YouTube settings to optimize your channel for growth from day one. Now, as we're going through, I'm in a brand new temporary Google account. So you want to go ahead and sign into your Google or into your YouTube account at this point. And then we want to come up here to our profile picture. And then we can see in this case, because it is a brand new account, I don't have a channel yet. So it's prompting me here to create a channel. So if you're seeing this, this is your first step. Now, if I switch over to this browser window where I'm signed into our main channel account, if you already have a YouTube channel and you want to make a new YouTube channel, you can see our option here is a little bit different. So instead of clicking here, we want to come down to settings. We'll then want to go add or manage your channels. And then we have an option here to create a new channel. So straight away here is going to ask us then to select a profile picture. And you can see then we get the choice of using a Google illustration here as our image. We can also access our Google Photos if we're using that, or we can upload a file from our computer. That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to choose upload from computer, and I'm going to pick our profile picture from our Primal Video channel. We then have the ability to rotate and crop that image here if we need to. But I'm going to hit done. And then we get to give our channel a name. We're going to call this Primal Video Test Channel. We can then choose our channel handle. You can see it automatically filled this in for us based on the name that we did enter here. Now, if you're struggling coming up with a YouTube channel name, we have a dedicated video to help you with that and some core AI prompts to help you as well. But for right now, you could just start with your name if you're struggling with this, because you can come back, you can change your channel name, you can change your channel handle at a later date as well. So we've got both of those in there now. It's done a quick check to make sure that no one else has this handle, and we can choose create channel. So we just want to give it a few seconds and then we will see this page here. This is our new YouTube channel. You can see little things like the profile picture hasn't updated yet. Sometimes that can take a few minutes, but then we've got the option here now to customize the channel, or we can go straight to manage videos. Now, obviously it's brand new, so we don't have any videos yet. So we want to continue to get our channel set up. So we can either click here at Customize Channel, or to get to that same page at any time, we can choose our little profile picture here, and we can choose YouTube Studio. So you'll see here it is a brand new channel. We can then choose Customization, and that's taking us to that same setup page. Now from here, we can upload our YouTube banner image. It says this image will appear across the top of your channel. This will show in different sizes on a phone, on TV, and on desktop. And it's got some recommendations for size and things here as well. So I'm going to choose upload. We will pick our image, and it gives us a preview here of what our banner image is going to look like across different devices. So you can see this is one image here in the background, but we can see on TV, we're going to see the whole lot. On desktop, you would just see this skinny section across the middle, and on all devices, no matter what it is, then this area here is going to be shown. So when you're creating a banner image, you can take all of this into consideration to make sure you're creating something that is a good experience on all devices. Big point for any changes that we make here on this page, we do need to hit publish to save those. But let's just keep scrolling down the settings here as well. So we've now done our banner image. We already did our profile picture, but if you need to make a change to that, you can do that here as well. We've got our channel name already in here, and it says that you can change your name twice in 14 days. So again, don't let this be a stopping point for you right now. Use your name, and we can change this later if we need to. Exactly the same with your channel handle. Can be changed twice every 14 days. You have the ability to add pronouns in here if you'd like to, and we can add a channel description. This is something that I would recommend that you do. Add a few different sentences around what your channel is about, and also why people should subscribe. What types of content will people find on your channel once it's up and running? So for example, this is what that section looks like on our main channel, and for hit more here, we can read that description. So for this video, I'm just going to copy and paste that same text here into our new channel. But we can also see down further, we've got all these links and things that we can add in as well. So we're about to do that next. So I'm going to paste that description in, and we can keep coming down. Now, if you are going to be creating videos in different languages, we can specify a language here for this and actually have different descriptions in different languages. So if I pick add language here, we can see our original. We can choose as English. And this was our English channel name and our English description. If we then wanted to manually create something in another language, let's just choose here Chinese. Then we could enter what our Chinese channel name would be and a translated description in here. This isn't a requirement, but if you are running multiple languages, then this might be a good idea. If we keep coming down here, and then we've got this area here for links. This is where we can add those external links that are shown on your channel page. So you could add in a link to your website. We can add another link. Maybe we'll go to Instagram. Shameless plug here. If you're not following me on Instagram, why not? So go through, add in any channel links. Obviously, we can come back to this area and add things in later as well. I would also recommend that you add in a contact email address here so that if any brands or companies want to reach out and work with you, that they have a direct email here for that. Now with this, be mindful that this is something that really anyone can access. So you could be opening yourself up to some spam email and that kind of stuff as well. So maybe don't use your most important or your primary inbox or primary email for this. Maybe set up a temporary one just to save that spam. So we'll add email. If we come down here, we then get to add in a video watermark. So this is the little subscribe button that will show up in the bottom right-hand corner of your video. So when people click on it while they're watching a video, they have the ability to subscribe to your channel from within the video itself. So I'm going to hit upload here, and we've got a little watermark image that we can upload. Now again, we have a dedicated video showing you how easy it is to make one of these things step by step, but essentially this is all we've created, and this is what we're running on our main channel. So I'm going to choose done. Now we get to choose here the time that this icon is going to be displayed on our videos. So we could have it just show up at the end of the video. We could have it show up for the entire video. What we do is we normally set a custom start time of around 15 seconds. 15 to 30 seconds, somewhere in there. And that way it's not going to show up immediately. It's going to show up after any ads or anything that might pop up on it, but also after your video has actually started. So it's not just that there's a lot of stuff all happening at once. It kind of comes in once the video starts to really take off. Now I come up here and hit publish now to save our settings, and then we can go ahead and check out what our channel looks like. So let's go view channel. Again, with no videos or anything on here, it's looking a little bare. But we can see we've got our channel banner art on here now. We have our channel name. We have our channel logo here. We can see that we've got some links, so we can view those links. We can view our description. All of that here is good to go. So now that that foundation stuff is set up, we do want to come back to our YouTube Studio dashboard area. And there's a few other settings that we want to make sure are correct. So for this, we've already been to the customization area, but we want to come down here to settings. So these are the settings for our overall channel account, really. So we get to specify our dollar unit. Even though I'm in Australia, I just leave this on US dollars. We then jump to channel. And in here, we can set the country of our channel. Now, I would recommend that you are picking the location that you live. Even if your audience is likely going to be somewhere else, still pick your location. So I'm going to pick Australia. We can also add some channel keywords or key phrases related to our channel to help YouTube understand the type of content that's on there, to help it find viewers for our videos. So in our case, we could type in how to make a YouTube channel, and we want to put a comma after this, and you can see that that has now become a tag, really. You go best editing software, how to edit video, how to make YouTube videos. So you can think of this like common search phrases that people would be typing into Google or YouTube where your channel would be a fit. And again, we can build this out over time. Now let's come over here to advanced settings. Now this is something that you either need to set on a video per video basis. So every time you're uploading a new piece of content, or you can actually specify this for your entire channel. So we need to specify, is our channel made for kids? Are the videos that we're uploading, are they designed for children? Or are we making them really for anyone or more for adults? We need to disclose that here. And I guess this is to help YouTube not show ads that they shouldn't be showing to kids or wrong types of content and all of that stuff. This is a legal thing, so you do need to make sure that you are setting this correctly. So is this channel made for kids? No, this channel is not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Now, if we keep coming down here, we can specify here for automatic captions or subtitles that are generated by YouTube to hide potentially inappropriate words. I just leave this one off. I'm not someone who really swears too often in our videos, so it's not really an issue. We have the ability to turn on or off interest-based ads. So it says if you select this option, personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channel. Again, I personally leave this stuff at the default settings, which in this case is off. I do allow clips to be made so other viewers can clip sections of my videos. They are all linked back to my videos. So this can actually help your channel grow with other people. I guess, repurposing your content, but it linking back to yours. Again, personal preference, I leave it on. Now, this next setting here is a relatively new one. This is where we can allow third-party companies to train AI models using the content on your channel. Again, this is going to be your personal preference. I'm pretty sure for our channel, we don't have this enabled. And then we're just allowing our content to go up on YouTube. Not that other companies can train their AI on what I'm saying, but this next step here is something you would definitely want to do. This is your feature eligibility. So right now you can see that we've completed step 1. We've unlocked standard features. That's enabled. To unlock the next level here, step 2, intermediate features, which will allow things like uploading video content over 15 minutes, uploading custom thumbnail images, live streaming. We do need to verify our channel at this point. And you can also see then there is a step 3 to unlock all of YouTube functionality, which will happen at some point, but we'll get to this next step first. Let's hit here, this little drop down for step 2, and it says that we can verify our channel using a phone number. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to enter my number. We're going to hit next. It's going to go ahead and send me a text message. This is to help stop bots and spam accounts being made on YouTube. So we then say here, your phone number is verified. We can then close this window. So we come back here to our feature eligibility, and you can see we've now enabled step 2. So we've now got access to these features. Now for step 3, advanced features, let's hit the drop down arrow from this. And we can see here it unlocks all of these things like embedding live streams, ability to create more live streams and upload more shorts daily. And obviously once you reach the point where your channel is going to be monetized, you will need to have done this as well to be able to enter the YouTube Partner Program. But it says here the requirements is that we have intermediate features enabled, which we just did. And we need one of these, so video verification. It says here, simply look at your phone's camera and follow the prompts, look up or down to get quick access to advanced features. So this is the fastest way to do it. Or we can upload a valid ID. So it says take a photo of your ID, like your passport, driving license, again to gain quick access to advanced features. Or we can use our YouTube channel history, so over time. It says here usually takes up to 2 months. So after you've been creating and uploading videos for 2 months, it then knows that your channel is legit, and so that can be enough to verify your channel at this advanced level at that point. So if you've got the ability to do that now, then why not? Let's get it out of the way. If not, it's not really a big deal unless you really need to unlock these features. External links in video descriptions, I do think, is a worthy reason to do this, especially if you're looking to grow with affiliate marketing and those kinds of things. So again, make sure you're hitting save, and we can also pop that back up after that's done. So that was the channel area here. Now the next one down, upload defaults. In here, this area can save you a lot of time because this will let you have default settings or default text ready to go for the bulk of your video uploads. So if we always want to upload our videos as private first, we can set that here. So now that's the default setting. We don't have to manually pick it every time. Likewise, if we jump across to advanced settings, anything we specify here will be applied as the default setting when we are uploading a video. So things I like to leave on are this automatic chapter markers. Let's let YouTube automatically create those things for us. We can also specify a content category. So we've got things in here like how to and style, people and blogs. I'd say pick the one here that matches the bulk of the content that you're making. I mean, in the case of our channel, it could be education because it's how-to stuff. They could be how-to and style. It could also be film and animation because we're teaching a lot of the video production stuff too. So pick the one that's the best fit for you. I'm going to pick how-to and style. We can specify our video language. I'm going to choose English, Australian, and the same for the next one down here as well. We also have the ability here to turn on or off comments on a video. But again, that can also be done on an individual video if that's something you need. Once we're done here, you want to hit save, and we've now applied those settings to our channel. So at this point, our channel is set up and good to go. The next step for you will be to make and upload your video. So when you've got your video good to go, you'll want to come up here to this big create button here, down to upload videos, and then we can follow the upload process from here.